Cold calling, cold emailing. These strategies have the lowest conversion rates. I will tell you in this video how I do my outreach and convert highly on AI automation agency clients. Why is your outreach failing? Why are you not able to convert AI automation agency clients? In this video, we will look at the methods and techniques you can use to supercharge your outreach method. And if you stick to the end, I'll give you my personal formula and how I land several high-ticket clients in the AI automation agency space. So the first method is content marketing. What happened to good old-fashioned content marketing? Putting out informative content for your industry-specific needs. If you're targeting the insurance industry or the financial industry, what happened to creating AI-related financial industry information and putting it out there in front of the people that need to know? This method has worked and works effectively because instead of you trying to cold email someone or cold call someone, the people will be reaching out to you because you're the expert in that field. Let's be honest. When was the last time you answered a cold email? I'm less likely to actually engage with someone that cold emails or cold calls me. It actually irritates me. I do not like it. The next thing that you'll want to do is become a member of a community. Become a member of the community, the AI community, and the community of the industry that you are targeting. This is important because by understanding the unique challenges and opportunities in that industry, you can be able to provide solutions to these people. A lot of ideas have been going around in the AI automation agency space about building bots for different industries. By taking 5 minutes to join these actual communities, you'll then find that this might be a really good or really bad idea. I'm not going to call anyone out, but in terms of an Airbnb bot, that is probably the worst idea you could do. So instead of cold emailing, it's important for you to learn how to build an email list to actually get people into your funnel and send emails to people who actually engage with you because they want your information rather than cold emailing them. By the way, the conversion rates on cold emails are 3 in 1,000, meaning you will get 3 responses in 1,000. So you need to send several thousand emails to actually get a conversion. And if you're actually converting clients at 3%, think of how many thousands of emails you'll need to actually convert a client. So this is not an effective way of reaching out. The same goes to cold calling. It's the same thing. The cold calling conversion rates are horrible. Another thing that you can consider is partnerships and collaborations. Collaborations with companies that are already working in the space and offer a similar product to yourself. This could help you to put your foot in the door. If a company is already providing a service to a client, then you can partner with them to then bring on the AI aspect into that business. And finally, for those of you that have stuck to the end, this is my favorite way of outreach and converting clients. The first thing I suggest is using content marketing, social media, and a combination of paid adverts to put yourself in front of the client before cold marketing or cold emailing them. By running these adverts, they will already have exposure to you and your brand before you reach out to them. So when you reach out to them or meet them in person, it's not a shock to them and they've already interacted with your business. Goal of this is not to convert them through the adverts, even though they might convert through that. The goal is to put yourself in front of them and establish yourself as an authority. I can guarantee that your conversion rates will skyrocket by using this technique. This technique is so powerful that if you use it, it will change your outreach method and you will land more valuable clients. I recommend you getting out of the office and stepping out from behind your computer and actually going to meet these clients after you've run a campaign behind the scenes and see what the results are. It is amazing. So I hope you've learned how to supercharge your outreach. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. And don't forget to join our AI automation community. The link will be below as well. See you next time.